Hey guys, it's me Alex, and today I'll be showing you how to do a waterfall twist braid on a doll so that you can do it on your parent or most likely your mum because she's got long hair probably. So the tools you'll be needing are a doll or whoever you're doing it on, a brush, and I'm using detangling spray, but water will do just fine. So what you want to do is you want to brush her hair through, or its hair through. Mine's already brushed, but we'll do it again. Okay. Ooh. Then you want to get your detangling spray, and from a distance you want to spray it directly onto her hair. But you don't want too much because that'll affect her hair and it'll make it all greasy, and that's not what we want. Okay, now that I've done that, I'm just going to mix it in. Okay, sorry guys, I'm really tired today. Then you're going to want to get a little piece of hair and brush that, sorry. Then you're going to put that to the side. Then you're going to get another piece from the bottom. That bit's brushed through. And then you're going to twist it. Get a piece of hair, only a small piece, and put it onto this piece and twist it. Get another piece of hair, and guess what we're going to do, guys? Twist it. Then you get another piece of hair. But guys, the thicker the pieces you get, the easier it'll be. Well, that's what I find anyway. Depends how long the hair is that you're modelling on. Okay guys, and then you just want to... Where's my bubble gone? 1 second guys. Guys, I'm back. Then you just want to get your bubble or whatever you're using. I'm using a loom band. And this isn't the best thing to do it on because it's not the right size. But if you've done it right, it'll look like that. So guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, smash that like button. Comment down below if you want me to do more hairstyles on dolls or on my mum. And subscribe and turn post notifications on so you get notified whenever I post a video. See you next time. Bye.